Welcome to this sheet metal tutorial guys. In this video we will create this forming tool which is customized and we will use it in our part. So let's begin. Click on part and click OK as we are working in the part file. From here make sure that you are working in correct units. I'm working in mmgs. Change the background to plain white. Select top plane and click on sketch. From here select this straight slot and make here a slot like this. Now let's define it. Hold Control key and select these 2 points and make relation coincident. I'm making these 2 points as 1 point. Select smart dimensions and here specify the radius as 12 millimeter and the length of this line as 62 millimeter. After that go to features and select extruded boss base. In direction 1 window, here specify the thickness as 6 millimeter and check this box from here. And after that, select this face and click on sketch. We will be making a rectangle here, so select here center rectangle. It would be used to create fillet, so make here a rectangle. We do not want to specify the dimension, just extrude it up to 6 millimeter. Make sure that this direction is downward and check this box from here. I'm not specifying any dimensions because it will be used for only this fillet tool. So select here fillet and here specify the radius as 2 millimeter and here select these two edges first and this is the second one, and after that check this box from here. And now we will be cutting this rectangle as the purpose is fulfilled. So select this face and here select convert entities and a rectangle will be created. You can create the rectangle by yourself or you can just select convert entities to make this rectangle, and select extruded cut and specify the depth of extrusion as 6 millimeter and check the box. And here we have the filleted edge, and this is the only reason for creating that rectangle. Now select this face and click on sketch and make here a straight slot again like this, and again we want the same center point. So hold Control key from your keyboard, select these 2 points and make relation coincident. Now here select smart dimensioning tool and specify the radius as 6 millimeter and the length of this line 25. Let's increase it to 32. This looks fine. Our sketch is fully defined, so exit the sketch from here. In features we have these curves, and in these curves we have split line. So select the split line. Here make sure that you have select projection. In this very window we need to select our sketch, this one, okay, and in our next window we need to select this face, and after that check this box from here. And this is basically now split. Let me suppress it, and here you can see before it was only one face, and let me unsuppress it, and here you can see these are two different faces. So that's the use of split line. And here enable the sheet metal tab. When you click it, the sheet metal tab will get enabled, and here is the forming tool that we are going to use in this tutorial. In this window we need to select this face, and in the next window we need to select this splitted face and check this box from here. And this forming tool is ready. Now we have to save it. So let me show you how to save. Go to files, select here save as, and here select form, this form tool. When you select it, automatically the design library in your C drive where you have installed SolidWorks will be enabled. Go to forming tool and here specify any name you like. After that check this box from here and open a new part file guys, because we are working in the part file again. We are going to make a simple part, simple rectangular part, and we will use the same forming tool that we have created in that. Here I'm making a simple part, this rectangular part, 65, and then apply some fillets. Select this entire area, 10 mm radius is fine. Check this box from here, and now go to sheet metal. Here select base flange, and 1 mm thickness is fine. Check this box from here. Do not specify too much thickness, guys. 1 mm is fine. And in this design library we have forming tool. When we select this forming tool, click on this forming tool, and here we have our part. This is basically the forming tool that we have created. Here I want to flip it, so select here 90 degree and flip. Go to position, and for reference here select center line and make a center line at these midpoint. Now hold control key from your keyboard, select these 2 points and make relation coincident for proper positioning it. When you check this box from here, and here is our part with forming tool applied. So if you find this video helpful, then please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.